Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set adjustments in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on photo editor, then we select the picture that we would like to edit, for example this one. And then we can just go into the, look at the bottom row and tap on adjust, and here we have a few adjustments that we can make to the picture. And yeah, you can just play around and find the setting that best fits your style of expression. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.